This home has a lovely 8-foot door and a welcoming front covered porch looking out on its corner lot here in Crawford Farms in Keller School District. Just blocks from the HEB and new shopping center, also close to hospitals, restaurants, and lots of stores. As you enter, you notice the tall ceilings, grand entrance, brand new carpet here in the formal living, formal dining, and then this 24 by 24 tile that leads through to the living space. This home has 2 full bathrooms and 2 bedrooms on the main floor, including the primary. We're going to take a look first at the secondary bedroom, so perfect for an office or for guests that come to stay, because they have also a full bathroom here for them. Normally these will have half baths, so it's a nice find to have a full. And then you have a spacious laundry room with room for an extra fridge and prep space. And then this leads out to the 3-car garage. So from the front, it looks like a 2-car, but it's actually what we call a tandem garage because you have this extra bay for a whole nother car, plus a good sized little landing area as well. So really nice 3-car garage, as well as 2 gas water heaters and lots of built-in storage. As we go towards the kitchen, find cute little built-in nook right there, great for a family photo. You'll also notice the brand new carpet leading up to the 2nd floor. Here is the main living room with the fireplace with gas. Super tall ceilings, warm and inviting, perfect for entertaining. And then this large kitchen. It has a new double oven. It also will include the refrigerator, tons of space for entertaining, and it does have a gas cooktop. Nice size pantry. And perfect for entertaining. You can be at the kitchen sink and still watch TV and hang out with your friends. And then this welcoming breakfast area that then leads out to the backyard. In the backyard, you will notice large covered patio here, as well as a gas stub for a gas fire pit or a gas stove. You'll have this welcoming pergola, perfect for entertaining here. And then also all of the fencing was recently replaced. It has the nice stain to it and has the metal supports. It's a really good sized backyard. Plenty of space here on the side. What would you do in this backyard with your friends and family if you bought this house? As we come back in, you'll notice not only was there that pantry I pointed out, but you also have these built-ins for extra storage as well. And then headed into the primary. I like to call this little closet off the primary bedroom his closet, because it doesn't matter how big the master closet is, I always get a chuckle off of that one. Here is the master bedroom, primary. It has a nice big window bench that looks out on the backyard. I would love to see somebody add in a big cushion along here and utilize it for reading in the evenings. Ample size in here for a king-size bed. And then into the bathroom, you have a nice shower with a bench. You have 2 sinks, garden tub, and also a separate WC with a window. So it's a little more welcoming in there. The bedroom also is pretty private since there isn't any like windows on the neighbor's house right there looking. And then into the walk-in closet, has tons of shelves and hanging space. And it actually goes under the stairs, so instead of just having like a Harry Potter closet off the hall, it has the extra space there in the master closet. Let's head up those stairs. You'll notice it's split. Media room that way, bedrooms and game room that way. heading into the media room, you notice this perfect spot for your favorite movie poster. These grand French doors leading into the media room with the accent lighting. Very traditional for having these tiers to put your couches. You can still see behind your friends. It also has some pre-wire for surround sound, and you'd set up your screen right there, good to go, or just use a big TV instead of an actual screen. It also has a good sized closet in here, lots of spots for storage. And let's head over to the game room. The game room looks down on the front living area. Has plenty of plugs for all of your game needs. Would be amazing to see a pool table in here or a foosball table, couch, all of the things. You also have some extra storage space here. And then you have your secondary bedrooms down this hall. You first have a linen closet, which is actually very large. This home has fantastic storage. The bedrooms all have really good sized closets. So we're gonna head into this bedroom that's over the garage first. Really nice, good size, tall ceilings, which a lot of times on the second floor you see shorter ceilings, but tall ceilings. And then walk-in closet. This bedroom is over the garage, so a little bit more private. Heading into the Hollywood bathroom, so basically hall access on this side, and then that bedroom has access to the bathroom with its own separate sink. So here you can see the shower, the WC, and the sink. And then this is the other part for that bedroom, so it has some separation and some privacy over to there. Lots of cabinet space, lots of countertop space. And then into here is into the second bedroom for the upstairs. And it also has a fantastic walk-in closet. So you have 2 full bedrooms on the main floor, 2 full bedrooms on the second floor. You have this big bathroom here, and then you have 2 full bathrooms on the main floor as well. This home on Crawford Farms is move-in ready and a great opportunity for someone looking for a lot of space to entertain or for a growing family.